In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. Quick thing worth checking first. Not every broker offers crypto CFDs through MT5, so if you go looking and don't see any crypto options at all, that's likely just your broker rather than something wrong on your end. Let's dive right in. Option A. Adding it through the Symbols Manager. This is the standard route and works no matter how many pairs you're looking to add. If your Market Watch window isn't already showing, go to View, then Market Watch to bring it up. Once it's open, right-click anywhere inside it and select Symbols. This opens up a full list of everything your broker offers, organized into folders by category. Look for one labeled Crypto or Cryptocurrencies, and click the small plus sign next to it to expand the folder and see everything available. From there, click on a symbol you want, then click Show, and it'll immediately appear in your Market Watch. Repeat that for any others you're interested in, and once you're done, just click Close. Option B. A quicker shortcut if you already know the exact symbol. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of your Market Watch list, and you'll see a line that says Click to Add. Left-click into that space, type the exact ticker you're after, something like BTCUST, and hit Enter on your keyboard. It'll be added instantly without needing to dig through any folders at all, which is genuinely handy once you already know what you're looking for. Quick note on how these pairs are named. Since it trips up some newer traders, BTCUST means Bitcoin priced against the US dollar, while something like ETHBTC means Ethereum priced against Bitcoin instead. So pay attention to which side of the pair is which before assuming a price direction. Naming can vary slightly depending on your broker. So if a symbol you're expecting isn't showing up under that exact name, it's worth double-checking their exact naming convention. One more thing worth knowing before you start trading these. Crypto CFDs often come with different contract specifications than regular Forex pairs, things like leverage limits and trading hours, and many of them actually run continuously rather than closing on weekends the way Forex does. So it's worth taking a quick look at your broker's contract specifications for whichever pair you've just added, just so there are no surprises once you're in a live trade. And that's really the whole process. Expand the crypto folder and click Show, or just type the symbol directly at the bottom of your list if you already know it. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.